Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the three different state universities, and with only post graduation you will get 60,000 rupees per month, and with PhD you will get the 70,000 rupees per month. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues after watching this video who belongs to those subjects or the departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the three universities or else the government colleges assistant professor vacancies. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the three universities, it is the first one we are going to see, that is Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University from Jammu and Kashmir. So here the walk-in interview is there. You may check down, guys. Regarding the departments of civil engineering, electrical engineering, languages and literature, philosophy and culture, physics, biotechnology, for assistant professor in chemistry, business, architecture and landscape design. Fine. So these are all the assistant professor vacancies, and you need not to pay anything here. No application fee and no written examination. Directly you can go for the walk-in interview based upon the time and date mentioned here. Okay. So 15, 16, 17, 18. And the timings also you may check down, guys. And the interviews will happen in the administrative block, SMVD University. And coming to the executive engineering vacancy is also there. The interview is on 22nd November 2021 morning 10 o'clock. The venue is same. Coming to the eligibility, in the School of Physics, Biotechnology for Chemistry, and School of Languages and Literature in English, and School of Philosophy and Culture, the candidates must have the master's degree with 55% of marks in the particular discipline or else the respective discipline or the subject. Along with that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or CSI or NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay. And while coming to the School of Electrical Engineering and Civil Engineering, BTech as well as the MTech is enough. And if you are having the PhD, those candidates will be preferred. But if you are having only post-graduation means, then you can apply for this one, guys, no problem. And coming to the School of Business, bachelor's degree as well as a master's degree in business administration, or else a PGDM or CA or ICWA or MCOM with the first class or equivalent and 2 years of professional experience after acquiring the degree, master's degree. PhD candidates will be preferred. And coming to the School of Architecture and Landscape Design, bachelor's degree with the 60% and 3 years of relevant professional experience, or else a bachelor's degree and a master's degree in architecture or in allied subjects with 60% of marks. Okay, so these are all the details they are given, guys. And coming to the specialization of assistant professor for the School of Physics, Languages and Literature, Civil and Hydraulics, management as well as a business. So here for the different subjects, the specialization or else the areas are also mentioned here. You may check down. And coming to the post of executive engineering, civil, BTech, having the second class or equivalent in grade point average, should have 20 years of total experience working in PWD, R&B, Department of Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. So age limitation is also given here. And coming to the salary for the assistant professor, 60,000 rupees will be available for master's degree candidates, and 70,000 rupees will be available per month for the PhD candidates. Fine. So interested and eligible candidates should bring their complete resume along with qualification or experience certificates. Photocopies duly attested with along with all originals, 2 self-attested passport size photograph, colored photographs, and they are duly filled in the enclosed application format on the aforesaid date and time. No TA shall be admissible to the candidates for appearing the walk-in interview. Fine. So it is from one university. And coming to the next one is the National Institute of Engineering from Mysuru. So the interested candidates may apply the 8th November 2021. That means that today is the last date. But don't worry, just filling up of the Google form. That's it. Okay. So assistant software engineer, software development cell, foreman, electrical and electronics engineering, instructor, civil, electrical, physics and chemistry, assistant instructor, CSC, ISC, EEC, physics and chemistry, and helper required in the CSC, ISC and electrical. And coming to the respective disciplines, here the respective Google forms are given. So just fill up the Google form. It will be done within 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Okay, assistant software engineer, MCA with programming and database skills is required. Foreman means first class diploma is required in the respective discipline. Instructor is also first class diploma. Assistant instructor also must be holder of diploma in the respective branch and must have an experience. Helper SSLC, and age limitation is also provided. For physics and chemistry department, BSc degree in physics or chemistry is enough. Okay, and I will provide this link in the description box of this video. If you belongs to BSc physics or chemistry or else the diploma in those respective disciplines, then fill up the Google form, guys. And next one is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University. So this notification released on 5th November 2021. So here the walk-in entry for the guest faculty is mentioned. For the MSc Physics, Chemistry, History, MBA, Botany and Zoology, so guest faculty positions, qualifications and eligibility as per the UG's norms, and the date of interview is 10th November as well as the 11th November. Few terms and conditions are mentioned. Eligibility criteria, each and everything as per the UG's regulations, and the eligible candidates are required to report for walk-in interview along with the filled form and self-attested photocopies of all testimonial certificates in the campus of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Cluster University, Mandi. And honorarium will be based upon the lecture basis, and the candidates will not have any right for the regularization. And the TADA will also not be provided, guys. So these are the details regarding this university. Fine. So total of three different state universities are covered here. So the interested candidates may apply for this one. And if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the matching recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video or else to get the updates regarding the jobs or the PhD notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. Fine. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. To bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UG Senate exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UG Senate is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose or else to write the short notes purpose or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the two platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UG Senate examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses or else paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UG Senate examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now, So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity.